Hello and welcome to Irfan Khan Birds Information channel. Today I want to share with you some basic information about African grey parrot, which is worldwide very popular. African grey parrot can vary in price depending on factors such as age, color, mutation, if applicable, and breeders. Generally they can range from a few hundred to cover $1,000. If I talk about his weight, African grey parrot typically weight between 400 to 650 grams, with males usually being larger than females. If I'm talking about his food, their diet should consist of a variety of seeds, nuts, fruits, vegetables, and commercial pelleted diets specifically formulated for parrots. If I talking about his diseases, so the first one disease is psittacosis. It is also known as parrot fever, a bacterial infection caused by chlamydia psittaci. Symptoms include lethargy, respiratory distress, diarrhea, and weight loss. It can be transmitted to humans, so proper hygiene is essential. Aspergillosis, a fungal infection caused by Aspergillus fungi, commonly found in damp or mold environments. Symptoms include respiratory distress, loss of appetite, and weakness. Beak and feathers diseases, a viral infection caused by Quires. It affects the bird's feathers, beak, and immune system, including the feather loss, beak deformities, and susceptibility to other infections. Polyoma virus, another viral infection that primarily affects young parrots, causing sudden death, and symptoms such as weight loss, diarrhea, and lethargy. So the other words is, if I talking about his lifetime, the lifespan of an African grey parrot can vary depending on factors such as genetics, diet, environment, and quality of care. On average, they live between 50 to 70 years, even longer in some cases. With proper nutrition, regular veterinary care, mental stimulation, and loving environment, African grey parrots can enjoy a long and fulfilling life in cherished companions. An African grey parrot is native from rainforest of Central and West Africa, including countries like Ivory Coast, Ghana, Kenya, Tanzania, and Democratic Republic of Congo. So these are the basic information about African grey parrot. I hopefully you enjoy it very much. I humbly request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further update. In this channel we can upload a lot of informative videos about varieties of birds, like national birds as well as international birds. So keep supporting us and keep watching us. Thank you so much.